Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files from your Honor 50 Lite. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our RAR app, which we've shown in our other video how to install it. Now from here you will need to locate where the zip or RAR file is. So mine is in the download and it's right here. It's called Honor.rar. So in order to unpack it, we'll need to press on it and select this button right here. And from here we can press on the browse and select where we want to unpack it. So I'm just gonna unpack it in my movies folder, for example. Press OK, and from here you can change to ask before overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. Keep broken files, do not extract paths. I'm not gonna change any of this. You can, of course, and press OK when you've set everything. Now I have the password for this RAR, so just for me it's 123. If you have password, just type it in right here and press OK. Now if we go to our movies, our files are right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.